The unseen roots. In a remote village surrounded by lush green forests, there stood a massive tree. Its trunk was wide enough to shelter a dozen people, and its branches stretched so high they seemed to touch the clouds. The villagers called it the Eternal Tree. One day, a group of young villagers, eager to prove their strength, gathered around the tree. "This tree may be old, but it's just a tree," one of them scoffed. "I bet we could cut it down if we worked together." The village elder overheard them and smiled. "You may try," she said, "but first, let me tell you something about this tree." The young men paused. "What's so special about it?" "This tree is what it is because of its unseen roots," the elder explained. "Its strength doesn't come from what you see above the ground, but from the intricate network of roots that stretch far beneath the soil. They connect with the forest, support countless creatures, and draw life from places you cannot see." Skeptical, the group began their task. They hacked at the trunk for hours, but it barely made a dent. Exhausted, they gave up. As they rested, the elder approached and said, "The tree is like life itself. What you see, success, strength, wisdom, is only the surface. The roots represent patience, resilience, and the unseen effort that sustains everything." She gestured to the forest around them. "Each of you has your own roots. The time you spend learning, the struggles you endure, the kindness you show, those are your roots. If you neglect them, you'll wither. But if you nurture them, you'll stand tall, like this tree." The young men looked at the tree again, but this time with reverence. They realized that true strength is not about appearances or quick victories but about the unseen effort and perseverance that build a strong foundation. From that day on, they approached their lives differently, working hard, valuing persistence, and nurturing the roots of their own growth. Moral: true strength and success come from the unseen efforts we put into growing our character, resilience, and connections with others. Focus on building your roots, and the results will naturally follow. Please subscribe if you have liked this story. Thanks. Please subscribe if you have liked